Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be creating a static web app in my local computer, and later on I'll be deploying my local application from my desktop to the Microsoft Azure static web app. Let me download the Node.js. So go to your official Node.js application and simply install. You can either use zip file or Windows installer MSI. Once you click this link, it will go and download your Node.js. So in my case, I have my software downloaded under here. Simply do double click next, and here I'm going to give some specific folder. I'm going to give softwares. Okay, I'm going to give install in the same folder where I have the MSI. Click next, install. I'll pause the video. Okay, your installation is completed. Click finish. Okay, now your Node.js is installed. Simply do node-v. So until you set the environment variable, your Node.js will not be recognized. So if you look at here, we have installed under the software directory. So basically we need to give this path in your environment variable. You okay? So open a new command prompt. Now if you type node-v, it should work, and same thing npm-v, which means your Node.js is installed and the corresponding version, Node version and npm version. If you get the output something like this, that means your installation is successful. Okay, now I would like to create the application. I would like to do the application under here. So basically I'm going to create a new application under learn static web app. So go here, let me copy this part, cd mkdir. I'll just say first static web app, cd. Okay, and then you need to initialize your static web app by running the command npm init-y. Okay, so you will get something like a similar output. We go back, there will be a package.json will be created. That means you are initialize that particular directory for your static web app. So do cls and clear the screen. So now you are creating a directory mkdir public, and here I'm simply going to create a HTML file. In this HTML file, I'm going to create, already have a content. So you can see this. Hello Azure learners, hello world from local desktop. So let me save it. So learn static web app under public directory. Create something called index.html. I'll give you all the steps in my description. Okay, you save it. So now if you go here, dir, you'll see cd public. You'll be having one index.html. Okay, and then type the command swa start public. Okay, I did a mistake. You have to execute the command one directory. You have to execute in the parent directory. I'll pause this video for a minute. Yeah, it's already, yes, everything is coming good. It will tell you what is the port number that you need to access your application. Copy this, open the browser. Okay, hello world from local desktop. So in my next video, I will show you how to upload this, how to deploy this local application into your Azure Static Web App. Okay, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.